Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, Enrique Iglesias with new song called Pendejo. Very easy as always with Iglesias here, very easy to play. And this one has only 4 different chords. So yeah, let's start. No need for any capo here. We'll first go through the chords, and then we have this melody going on and a strumming pattern, and that is pretty much it when it comes to this song. So easy there. Let's go with the C first. So we have third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next is A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then F. So you need to bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Okay, and the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Yeah. So the chord progression here will be the same through the whole song here. So it will be C, A minor, F, G, and C. That is one chord progression. That will go round and round for this song. So first we have this melody. We'll look at the different parts there for each chord, and then we'll look at the strumming pattern. So it starts with C, and for this song here, it's when you play this one, you have this muted feeling here. So that is one technique you wanna try to master here, because it helps a lot here. You don't want the notes to ring out too much. You want to have this muted feeling. So if we go with the C first, it will sound something like this. So you see, if we don't let the notes ring out, they die pretty fast. So first, how do we take it? You can use for all these chords except for one, the G there, but all other chords you can use the full grip for the chords that we learned. So for this one, C, you can grab the full chord, and then you're gonna alternate the first fret on the B string together with the open E. You play that first, and you answer with the third fret on the A string. That is the bass. So first it will be B, E, A, B, E, A, and B, E. So, and then right after you start again with B, E, then A, and then B, E. Okay, so and after this final B, E here, there will be a short break, and then comes the next chord, in this case, yeah, the A minor. So break, and then dun dun dun. So a short break there, and then comes the next chord. And how do we play this muted feeling here? What I do, I prefer I lift off and on my fingers on my left hand. So if you lift off, you kind of mute or hinder the note from lasting long there. So you just lift off there. I also working a little bit, when I think about it, I also work a little bit with my little pinky here, when I have it free, to kind of put it on the string as well. At the same time I lift off. And I really work with this all together, so it's not maybe one. You can do it in your way there, but that's just how I do it. So you can try it and see if you like it. So the main thing is you want to have this muted feeling here for this song here. So yeah, that's the C part. Then we move over to the A minor. It will be the same pattern here. You will only switch the grip to A minor. And the notes will be the same. The B, E starts, and then you alternate with the A string. And in the same way you play the C chord here. So. And one thing to mention here, now we have an open bass string here, the open A. So you cannot lift off anything. So here it's more important is to work with this little pinky. For me, you can do it in your way. You can mute it with your right hand as well. When you hit the open string there, you can just put a thumb back there. It has to be pretty fast because you need to work up and down all the time, since this goes pretty fast, this melody here. So you see my right thumb here. If you let it ring out, doesn't sound that great in the song, but if you put it back, it will mute. Alright, so pretty logic there. So yeah, the same way here, playing there, this pattern will be the same for A minor. So B, E, A, B, E, A, B, E, then B, E, A, B, E. Okay, then it changes a little bit here for the next two chords, the F and G. So the F, it doesn't change that much actually, you just cut off the last part there. So grab the full chord of F, and then you're gonna play the B, E again. And then the E string now, this time on the first fret. That's the parts. So that means you're gonna play the first part of the of what we just learned for the C and A minor. So the B, E, then E, B, E, E, and B, E. So that's the whole thing there for the F parts. And then you switch to G. To G, there you will need to have a new grip there, so you won't actually play the G grip here. The easiest way is to hold it like I do right now. I bar the B, E, and E string there on the 3rd fret, and I add on the G string there the 4th fret. That will be my new bass, the 4th fret on the G. So I play there the same pattern as I played for the F. So B, E, then G, B, E, G, and B, E. So that's the G part. And then comes the C there, the final C, and you will play that in the same way as you play the first C there. So this melody, it starts and it ends with one full there of the C chord. So together it will sound like this. Yeah, so that is one round of this melody. So now we can start. We have this first verse there. It will be one round of this melody only. So pretty easy there. So we'll go on there to the chorus. And now we need to learn a strumming pattern. So the strumming will be pretty easy. It will be only downs and ups. So we can take the C there, since that is the first chord. It will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I mentioned the pattern here in that separation because you need to have a short break after the first down up down up. So, and then comes again down up, a short break, and then down up. So slowly it will sound like this for just the C chord here. Again. And then you shift the chord. You're gonna play 2 rounds for the C, 2 rounds for the A minor, 1 round of F, 1 round of G, and you end with 2 rounds of C. So the same chord progression there. So C2, A minor 2, F1, G1, and C2. That is 1 chord progression. You do that for 2 rounds. So slowly, a little bit slowly, 1 round with this strumming here and with the different chord switches there, it will sound like this. Yeah, sorry for I was stuck with my nail here and 1 string there before, but I think you get the idea there. So I will play around there, strumming around there for, sorry, chord progression round for this song here, so you can be able to see how it sounds when it goes in standard tempo. So let's go. Yeah, so that is how the song goes. Okay, so 2 rounds of that in the chorus, and then comes the second verse there. You can choose here to play 2 rounds of the strumming or 2 rounds of the melody. Nothing new here. And the same goes with the second chorus there. You will play that in the same way as you play the first chorus. So nothing new there as well. 2 rounds of this one, and it will be strumming only. And then the song ends with 1 round of the strumming again. So in the end there, it will be 3 rounds in total with the chorus and the outro there. And that pretty much covers this new song from Iglesias called Pendejo. Yeah, I hope this was helpful and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.